story.
I just want to get away. Sorry.
What are you talking about? Are you yelling at Daddy? Where did Piggy go? Where's Piggy? Go get Piggy. Go get him. Yeah.
No more stories?
Are you done?
Say bye. Bye.
I was just looking at you like, what do you want me to do?
Say something, Aiden. Say hi. Smile. You did it.
There it is. Well, Piggy's being eaten out.